What's up, YouTube? Finally got the rims on the driver's side. Tinted the window with some scrap tint that I had. It's not perfect, but I was just practicing for when I buy the real tint for it. And got it down low in the front. And I'll cut you back on. We got some more news. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Back at it with the S10 again. This time I just installed a light here. Can't remember the name of them right now. My nephew gave me these lights. They were off an old 40s kind of car, and he gave me two of them. I put the other one on the other side. And I got new bulbs for them, and this was nickel-plated brass. This whole thing is. This is plastic dip, so I didn't want to ruin the nickel, but it was kind of pitted and stuff, so the plastic did fill it in nicely. This one was actually some kind of metal with nickel plating. The other one was brass. This is all brass. I liked the way the brass looks. I didn't want to cover that up. I get the focus on there. I don't know. Won't focus. Anyways, yeah, so it looks alright. It'll look good against the paint when we get it on. Just got to tighten down some more screws here, and then we'll be done. But it all works as it should. Alright, cut you back on. We got something new. What's up, YouTube? It's GamerInked Garage again. Alright, so we got the Cadillac here. We're out here on the late night. I did a muffler delete, or I'm doing a muffler delete. That's the muffler we took off. There's two of those. We're going to replace it with some of this flex pipe. And my light is fucking up. Okay, and then I took some of these cheap downspouts they have at O'Reilly's, and these were galvanized or something like that, and sanded them down and painted them so they look cool. And then we're going to put those on, and I'll show you when we're doing that in just a minute. Some of that ISIS. And that's how you cut your pipe. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know if you can see. Probably not. But, so there we go. There's the pipes we cut off to delete the muffler. So we're going to put these pipes in here and the tips on, and I'll show you while we're doing it. So, be right back. What's up, YouTube? Back on here. Getting ready to put this on. Just pulled that over top, put the clamp on it. And that rolls all the way back. And we're going to put our exhaust tip back there. That's Paul, my nephew, again, if you've been watching. Hola. He said hola. And we're going to slide that on like that. How far did you go down? I went down about 3 inches. Put the nut side up so it looks cleaner from the bottom. Not that we're going for loose anyway. I'll probably end up welding on some pipe coming out here when I get around to it. But for right now, I just want to make sure the exhaust gases are out the back. Yeah, because they suck when they come inside the cab. Especially when you got children in it. I don't want them breathing in that garbage. They had like a nice 3-inch exhaust over here. And they come down and split it into these two small ones, 2 1.5s or something. I know it's the same volume, but I think it would have been nice if they just went on with the 3s all the way down. Yeah. Probably would sound a better stock. Crank them down evenly, go on the other side and stuff. Yeah. What time is it, Paul, you think? About 10 or 11?
Yeah, about 11:30, 12 o'clock.
So we out here on the late night, man. Had a late day today, so we get out here late. It was nice to cool out anyway. Can't make a lot of noise and disturb everybody.
Did you tighten that away?
No, I didn't tighten it all. I was waiting on you. Go ahead and finish that down. Is that all the way down?
No, that's still.
Oh, yeah, tighten it all the way until you can't move it.
Yeah.
And then once you get yours done, I'll do this one. It's a little bit oversized. This is a 2-inch pipe over a 1.5, so you got a little bit of room, but it should be alright. Might let a little exhaust through, but the majority of it will be out the back. Crank that funky music, white boy. Get it, boy. That's racist. Crank that motherfucker down for ISIS. Fuck ISIS. But I love ice cream. So fuck ISIS, but I love ice cream.
Yeah,
it's delicious. Ice cream. Love ice cream, not ISIS.
Right.
Fat lives matter.
Word. Looks pretty damn good. Ah, what's the damn thing? Alright, there we go.
All the way. Give it a few more cranks just to make sure. I don't want that falling off down the road. At least get it out. No. If it's still going. There we go. Alright. Let's see here. Here, be the cameraman. Focus on this pipe up here. Alrighty. Don't get my fat ass on the camera. You don't want to see me.
I suck at cameras.
How do you suck at camera? You just gotta point at it. This high-tech operation you got going on. We need to hire some cameramen. Play that funky music, white boy. Play that funky music right. Lay down and boogie and play that funky music till I die. Get on there, motherfucker.
This is gonna take some serious editing.
I can't get on this fucking nut. Come on, what's going on? Oh, there we go. Alright. That's that professional socketing right there.
Yeah.
Don't hate me because you ain't me. Look at that, huh? See? That's a trick. That's a trick shot. Only professional master wizard mechanics can do shit like that. Don't hate us because you ain't us. Get some, Isis. Get some. I got some rust in my mouth.
Tastes great.
That was very, very delicious. Get on that fucking. Why does I want to go on that one? There we go.
Rust is the breakfast of champions at 1 a.m. in the morning.
I eat a rust sandwich and piss motor oil. Hoorah. Flattening that pipe. That's good enough.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Cut it off. We'll cut it back on in a minute. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. We got the exhaust tip on here. I end up cutting these extra bolts off. And I gave it a little coat of paint. Just, I don't want that looking like that side. And we gotta just tie this piece up and paint it. And we're all done. And then I will cut you back on. Hear how it sounds. What's up, YouTube? About to pull up. Oh, yeah. Go ahead. Sounds beastie. Good shit. Alright, thanks for watching, YouTube.